Owning a car is not just about driving it, it's about keeping it looking good. That's where car detailing comes in. Professionals know how to make a car look brand new, or even better. Here are some car detailing hacks they might not always share, but they can really improve the final result. First, they always start with a thorough wash using high-quality, pH-balanced soap. This type of soap is gentle on your paint and helps remove dirt without stripping away protective waxes. After washing, drying your car properly is crucial. Experts often use microfiber towels, since they do not scratch the paint. Another important step is applying a clay bar treatment. This process removes contaminants that stick to your paint and cannot be washed off with soap and water. Waxing is next, and it's essential for protecting your paint from UV rays, pollution, and water spots. Car detailing professionals typically use a wax for a durable shield and impressive shine. Cleaning your engine bay is an important task that many car owners overlook, but it helps keep your car running well and maintains its value. Use a degreaser to spray the engine and let it sit for a few minutes to break down grease. Protective coatings are like a shield for your car, keeping it safe from things like UV rays, rain, dirt, and bird droppings. Shine Armor Graphene ceramic coating helps keep your car looking new by protecting the paint from damage. Spray a generous amount on a microfiber towel and rub it gently onto the surface. It will provide stronger, longer-lasting protection and make cleaning easier. Car detailing experts pay close attention to wheels and tires because they get dirty quickly if not cleaned and protected. They use special cleaners made for wheels and tires to remove dirt and road salt without damaging the finish. Megia's all-wheel cleaner works on both inside and outside surfaces. Its gel formula turns brake dust purple and road grime brown, helping to lift tough dirt and stains. Car detailing experts have their ways to keep your car's interior looking fresh and new. The first secret is regular cleaning with the right products. Megia's Quick Interior Detailer safely cleans and protects all interior car surfaces including plastics, vinyl, leather, rubber, metal and even LCD and navigation screens. Getting your car professionally detailed is a great way to keep it looking good and working well.